For over 2 decades, users have remained attached to the email addresses they created as teenagers. The logistical cost of migrating 20 years of saved data effectively prevented any change to the account's identity. Google is now rolling out a policy update that allows you to detach your username from your account and select a new one. This process maintains your existing data instead of forcing you to start from scratch. This shows the new account architecture. While the external label is replaced, the central core of Drive files, emails, and photos remains static. Currently, this feature is only available to US users, rolling out gradually across accounts. You can now establish a professional identity while retaining 100% of your archived digital history. To begin, open your browser, ensure you're signed in, and navigate to your Google account dashboard. Select Personal Info, scroll to Contact Info, and click Email. Your active email sits at the top of the page. Click it to open the menu, locate the blue Change Google Account Email button, and click to proceed. If this button is missing, your account has not yet received the update. In this case, patience is required. No troubleshooting steps will force the button to appear. Once you enter the menu, type your desired new username into the provided text field. Confirming this change triggers a strict 12-month lock-in period. During this cycle, you cannot delete the new email address or swap it. Be aware of the risks of claiming a recycled email. If you choose an address previously deleted, you inherit its digital baggage. Automated newsletters or alerts intended for the previous owner will immediately route to your inbox. Verify your spelling and evaluate the professionalism of the name before finalizing, as you will be tied to this choice for a full year. Because this decision is permanent for 12 months and carries legacy risks, it requires deliberate foresight. This diagram illustrates the new routing architecture. Your old email address remains active as an alternate alias, and mail sent to either flows into your unified inbox. When signing in, either address provides full access to your existing data. Third-party apps using Sign In with Google will require you to re-authenticate with your new credentials. Expect disruptions to Chrome Remote Desktop. Existing connections will fail to recognize the updated account until you sign back in. Chromebook users face a complex process because the Gmail address is integrated into the hardware identity. To restore your device, you must back up your local data, remove the old profile, and perform a fresh sign-in using the new address. While your cloud data remains synchronized, your local hardware and third-party apps require manual recalibration to recognize your updated identity. You now have a clean, professional digital identity. This transition was completed without complex forwarding rules or migrating a single document to a new account. If you experience buyer's remorse, Google provides a fail-safe. You can revert your primary display email back to the old alternate address.